So, this is a surprise unboxing. Cealane does not know what this is, and I've never got to do a surprise unboxing video with her. Oh, hold on, let me try that again. Oh, you know what? No, I'll keep the camera like this. So, this is
There's never any surprises because you always confer with me before you make purchases because you're indecisive.
But this is something that, well, my sister bought us as an anniversary present.
Really?
Yes. And this is really, really cool.
Oh, that's okay.
So,
I wasn't expecting anything.
I saw it already, but I want you to open it. I told Donna I'd make a video of it. Here. Just flip that up.
Should I be scared?
No, it won't blow up.
What is... Aww. That's cute. Show Ezra.
So, what it is, they should pay me to advertise for them.
Is it like a photo book?
It is. It's a Google photo book.
That's
so
cool.
if you've never done a Google photo book, oh come on. Well, anyway, yeah. If you go on Google and you send them pictures, now the pictures will come out as good as, but Donna's camera took really good pictures. Oh, sorry for the spotlight, but I don't care. The only reason that, yeah, the picture looks better, like, in real life.
Dad and his sister Madison.
But it's hard to see it. Well, no, there you go. I'm trying to make that spotlight not appear, but that's because of the reflection. But, yeah.
Like one bird in the sky. One bird.
Yeah, the pictures came
and
out.
one bird right there, too.
Yeah, since what's really cool is the...
one bird. Oh.
You got Eric and Chels. My sister got pictures at the wedding. That's my sister. They got pictures at the wedding that even
That's pretty.
our photographer Tiff. Oh, look at that's my mom's hand because there's a cigarette. In
A cigarette in the
How
lighter.
funny! Is there wasn't even a Oh, it's got Skinner in it. Like, look at that's dope. And you see you see Eric and Eric back there. So my sister even got pictures that our photographer is awesome. Tiffany is awesome, but my sister Donna scored some pictures. Sancy. Pictures that even we didn't get. So you haven't seen any of these pictures from the wedding.
No, I haven't.
So this has been a year into it. There's a full page there. Look at how. So I have never even done this. Donna did one for like with the pictures of her dog, and then after using that one, she knew how to go on Google and do this. I couldn't even tell you how to do it because I've never done it. All I know is that these are really, really damn cool.
I'm scowling. It was bright. I had to send in my eyes.
Dorian right over there. See, Donna, my sister got all kinds of pictures that, like, if the video's coming out blurry, it's because this is my first time actually looking at the whole book. Aw, Eric and Allie. Look, there's Vlertimer and...
And it's like the only pictures I'm gonna have like with my family in the background because because half my family dipped before we were finished taking pictures, so they got impatient.
See, look how good some of these pictures are that we didn't like. And Tiffany did great, but Donna took these and we didn't even know. Yeah, these are different perspectives. Because I don't look. That's how my mom looks like all the time.
Wakanda forever.
Yeah, these are all pictures that I would have been like, whoa, like I would have picked. I may have even picked one of these to make into a fracture me. So Donna really, her hope starts to get
I don't want to get them all smudgy trying to get the
Vlertimer, Nilton.
There's our photographer Tiffany in the background, behind the scenes.
Louise right there. See, she got a bunch of. She knew what friends I'd want to get pictures of, which is cool. That's a really good picture of the cake. I didn't even, like I said, I already said it once, but there's Ashley signing the book in the background. Kevin and Charity. She got pictures of people we didn't even get like pictures of, which was really cool. So these Google photo books, I don't know what they cost, but I highly recommend somebody getting one of these done if you ever want one. The paper's nice, got a nice gloss to it. It's thick. It's not so thick that it makes the book pages hard to turn, but it's thick enough to where they're like so the pictures.
Food.
I will say that the pictures will turn out like the only reason that picture came out blurry is they won't print blurry pictures. They print what you send them. So if you
that was the picture quality on.
Yeah, like she got that that one. She got like she got a lot of these like just absolutely perfect. Oh, the Pink's bag from Pink's. Aww. Little Kyrie. Yeah, that's a cute picture. We should send that to them. So she got a lot of cool pictures. Like I said, I know I keep saying it, but this is my first time seeing everything in here. Madison yelling at Vlad. That's funny. that's them all the time. I can't wait to send that. There's Vladimir
with the garter. That's funny. I forgot he caught it.
And then the last picture, she did borrow one from our. Oh, that's not. That's kind of. She did borrow one from our. From Tiffany's pictures. So these Google Photobooks, this is really cool. My sister to do, and not only is it like it's a cute. Objectively, it's a super cute surprise.
Idea.
That was really cool of my sister to do that for us. There's times I think she gets real busy and
thank you, Donna,
and forgets, or sometimes I think she gets real busy in her life, and I know, but this is like wow, she did like really think and go out of the way for us, and that meant a lot to me that she did that, and objectively, like to tell you about them, it's a great product as well. Ooh, like see, like it's like a rubber coating kind of style on the book. It's about 4.5 inches by about 4.5, perfect square. Well, I know all y'all have so many photos on your phone. You can sit and piece this together on your phone. She doesn't have a laptop she works off, so she did this all on her phone, piecing it together. Google does the work. I can't even, man, like, it's a killer idea.
Also, if anybody watching this was also at the wedding and got photos that we may not have seen, please feel free to send them either to Ezra or myself, because we would like to see them.
Yeah, and if you don't know how to get a hold of one of us, then you must not really be our friend, because we're the easiest people to get a hold of, maybe in the world. So, send us pictures. So, Donna did her part, so now the rest of you, send us pictures, because these Google photo things, these are, man, it makes you want to, like, well, one, I want to see all the pictures from the wedding people got that we haven't printed. Number two, it makes you want to make books of all this photo stuff we've ever, like concerts and... So on the emotional side, this is a really sweet, like kind-hearted, super amazing gift that my sister did for us. On the objective side, these Google photo books are a sweet idea for a gift. Like they piece them together. I don't know how far ahead she had to order it or whatever, but I'll have to ask her. But
you would say on the invoice when it was ordered.
You know what? Let me see. I'm curious. I think it just had the delivery date, so she did it. Ooh, 27th. So that means you could get this done in less than 5 days. What's today? 3rd, 5th? Today's the 5th. So if you're like, oh man, I got like 2 weeks till something. Take pictures that you have of people, because everybody has pictures on their phone, because y'all be taking pictures everywhere all the time forever. So take this idea, run with it.
If you're normal anyway.
Yeah. Yeah. So my mom wouldn't have her pictures be all blurry and shaky, because that's how she holds the phone like that.
And my mom's are all like screenshots of her like menu screen, because she does that.
So thank you, Donna, and thank you, Google Photos.
Yes, thank you.
So if you have any questions about these, ask me, and then I'll direct them to Donna, because she's done 2 of these. So check them out. Till next time, deuces and trays.